Some breaking news coming in, and this is a reaction that has been given by the Home Minister of Haryana. Anil Viz has reacted to PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti's statement where she had said that the centre should not test the patience of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and in fact start negotiating with Pakistan. And now Anil Viz has reacted and he says that if Mehbooba Mufti likes Pakistan so much, why does she not go there? Ishan joins us for more on this. Ishan, what more can you add to this information?
Mehbooba has had yet again yesterday said that they want a Vajpayee-like dialogue. Otherwise, situation will be critical like what we are seeing in Afghanistan right now. Now, this has been slammed widely by political parties, be it BJP or other political parties. They're seeing it, that there should be strong action taken against her. What Anil Viz has said is clearly an indication of the fact that it hasn't gone down well with the BJP, because she was lashing out at the center, saying that, the Afghanistan-like situation can be repeated. Now, she was also making a passing reference to the Article 370 abrogation by not mentioning Article 370, but she said that what has been taken from us, quote-unquote, illegally has to be returned, or otherwise situation will be critical like what we are seeing. Now, we know that Vajpayee had started a dialogue with Pakistan during his tenure as a Prime Minister, but then we saw that the talks did not go well, but she made a reference to the Vajpayee's tenure when he was Prime Minister and he started talking. But today, it's very clear India has a clear stand that they will not talk to any of those until Pakistan does not stop sending in militants to Kashmir Valley, and till and only people who are going to be spoken to in Kashmir Valley are going to be people from the mainstream political parties.
Right, Ishan, do stay on with us. Let's first listen in to that reaction coming in from Mehbooba Mufti that has triggered this controversy, where she in fact wants the centre to take lessons from Afghanistan and Taliban.
जिस वक्त ये बर्दाश्त का बांध टूट जाएगा तो तब आप ही नहीं रहोगे, मिट जाओगे। पड़ोस में देखो क्या हो रहा है, पड़ोस में देखो क्या हो रहा है। इतनी बड़ी ताकत अमेरिका, उनको भी वहां से बोरिया बस्तर लेके वापस जाना पड़ा। और आपको मौका है अभी भी, जिस तरह वाजपेयी जी ने बातचीत शुरू की थी जम्मू कश्मीर में, यहाँ बाहर के साथ भी और यहाँ भी उसी तरह आप भी जम्मू कश्मीर में बातचीत का सिलसिला शुरू करो। और जो आपने लूटा है गैर कानूनी तरीके से, गैर आईनी तरीके से, जो जम्मू कश्मीर का तशक्कुस आपने खराब कर दिया, जो जम्मू कश्मीर के टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दिए, इस गलती को सुधारो, नहीं तो बहुत देर हो जाएगी।
Right, it's not just Anil Viz who has reacted sharply to those comments made by Mehbooba Mufti. There are a series of other BJP leaders who say that this is nothing but a desperate attempt by the PDP leader to get back the footing that it has been losing ever since Article 370 has been abrogated. Watch these reactions.
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि कुछ लोगों की प्रॉब्लम क्या है। कल पीएम ने क्या कहा था? पीएम ने एक ही बात कही, और हमेशा उनका कहना था कि जो टॉलरेंस है वो हमारे संस्कार है, हमारी संस्कृति है, लेकिन आतंकवाद के प्रति ज़ीरो टॉलरेंस हमारा संकल्प है। और उसी संकल्प के साथ भारत और भारत के लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। और मुझे लगता है इस तरह के जो लोग ज्ञान देते हैं, उनके ज्ञान के पीछे कहीं ना कहीं जो है खोट छिपा होता है। इससे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता।
महबूबा मुफ्ती किसी बहुत बड़ी गलतफहमी में है। आज जब महबूबा मुफ्ती को उसकी जमीन खिसक गई है जम्मू कश्मीर में, अब जब जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता ने महबूबा मुफ्ती को रिजेक्ट कर दिया है, तो महबूबा मुफ्ती को तालिबान याद आ रहा है। क्या महबूबा मुफ्ती जम्मू कश्मीर के अंदर तालिबानी राज चाहती हैं? इस राष्ट्रद्रोही एजेंडे को किसी सूरत में ना तो जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता यहां स्वीकार करने वाली है, और ना हम लोग महबूबा मुफ्ती के इस षड्यंत्रकारी एजेंडे को यहां चलने देंगे।
We have seen for the last 70 years under the garb of Article 370, these political parties and their minions have been stabbing and robbing the Indian exchequer right throughout. Now NIA has put an end to all this. It is better that these political parties learn their lessons and now once and for all be very clear that Article 370 has been abrogated and it is not going to come back, come what may.
Government of India, headed by Ms. Modi, should follow at least what Mr. Vajpayee was doing when Mr. Vajpayee was Prime Minister. That is what Mehbooba has said. It should be taken in a right spirit and understanding, recognizing the agony of the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
ये तो सब जानते हैं कि आतंकवादी संगठनों के साथ क्या रिश्ते हैं महबूबा जी के, और महबूबा जी के जितने भी वहाँ पे इनके मंत्री रह चुके हैं उनमें से कई लोगों ने ताना बाना बुन रखा था। शायद इसीलिए इसको इस बात का अभिमान है कि ये तालिबान के साथ मिलके वो सब कुछ हासिल कर लेगी। और मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूं कि इसके ऊपर इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए कि इसके क्या रिश्ते हैं जो तालिबान का नाम लेके ये हिंदुस्तान को जो डराने का काम कर रही है।
Ishan, it is significant that this statement by Mehbooba Mufti was made at a public rally in Kulgam, which is one of the rare public appearances in COVID times that the leader has made. Who is she speaking to when she challenges the center, when she says Jammu and Kashmir people are being looted, their patience is being tested? Who is the constituency? Which is that constituency that she is addressing?
You have seen PDP has been making similar kind of remarks just to appease their voter politics, particularly in Kashmir Valley. You remember when before the application of Article 370, she had made a comment which got a lot of criticism that there will be no one holding in tricolor of the application of Article 370. Now that had really upset a lot of political parties in India. Now again, you have seen that the sort of comments, to similar of that, there are political parties now seeking action. As you heard the BJP leader saying that there should be action taken against Mehbooba. She was trying to talk to the people at Kulgam when she was addressing this particular rally. Now we've already seen that the Prime Minister had extended, olive branch to these political parties by calling them to Delhi and then meeting them, which was followed by redressal of their issues. For example, certain political parties had raised that there is, when the Delimitation Commission is happening, we don't know what are they going to do. They don't trust it. So that is when the Delimitation Commission was sent to Kashmir Valley. If you talk about talking to these political parties, that was the initiative taken by the Prime Minister, and then the several political parties did not meet, which includes PDP and certain other political parties just gave the presentation. So which is clear from the fact that, apart from talking about audio, he's also trying to make a point here for the upcoming election, which may be after next year or whenever the Election Commission announces. So she's trying to make a point here to appease her political vote back.
Right. Thank you.